guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys how you make your strong whitening, like HP strong whitening 5D molato soap. 5D molato soap is not just 5D molato soap, but is more effective, like very strong whitening soap than other normal molato soap. Okay, so if you have been finding it so difficult to make 5D molato soap that is very effective, and each time your customer buy it keep on coming back, it is so painful and discouraging when customer comes to you today, buy your product, and tomorrow is not coming back. To me, it's better they didn't come at all than coming and they are not coming back. That shows that I'm not doing well. That shows that the product is not effective. Okay, so people don't like using lotion, soaps, oils, like all this combination together. They don't like it, so they just need maybe a soap and oil that can just give them what exactly they want, or they don't like using lotion at all due to heat or itching of skin, etc. So this soap is going to help you keep them to yourself, and they will keep on referring customers and people, friends and family to you. Okay, so if today is your first time of stopping by, hi, I'm Fresh Natural Glow. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a video. My skin they enter your eyes, Abby. Don't worry, I mean they run we not dead soon, only one Fresh Natural Glow. So the number one ingredient we need on this production is Osha Proper soap. It's not just called Osha Proper soap for just calling sake. It's because this Osha Proper soap is very effective. In fact, you can't use this soap direct to your skin. It's gonna harm your skin. So this is a very strong whitening booster. Okay, so you adding this soap on your production is gonna make the product more effective. And most of you will be like, okay, why is it that my product is not effective and I do add Osha Proper soap? Maybe they didn't add good product to support the effectiveness of this Osha Proper soap. So we're going to be using just 1 bucket of Osha Proper soap on this production. And if you are making a large quantity, you are a big brand, you can increase the measurement. Okay, you can make it like 3, 4, 5 depending how big you want to make the soap. Then the number 2 ingredient we're going to add to this production is Kojic Glutathione soap. Guys, this soap is very effective. I love this soap very much because the number 1, the fragrance, and number 2, the effectiveness. This soap is very effective. In fact, if you have a very sensitive skin, you can't use this soap on your skin because it's gonna irritate your skin. Okay, so you're gonna add just 4 pieces of this soap, and if you're making in a large quantity, then you increase it, or you want to make just for your own use, you want to taste. I'm not scared of you testing my recipe, so if you want to test the product first, then you reduce the measurement. Okay, just like I said, 4 pieces, then make it just 2 pieces. Okay, then the 3rd ingredient I have here on my list is Kojic Glutathione soap. This is another Kojic Glutathione soap that I love so much. Of course, you guys know that anything that has to do with glutathione, na fire, na whitening product. Anything that has to do with Kojic, na fire, na whitening product as well. Just imagine combining them together. So this is Kojic Glutathione soap. So this is very effective. It's going to boost in your soap. There is nothing like I added this and it's not working, or my soap darkening the person's skin, because the person's skin is not iron. So this is a very strong whitening product. So you're going to add 5 pieces of this Kojic Glutathione soap. Then the next on our list is Laila soap. Laila soap is a very strong booster. Okay, this is not just a whitening soap, this is a booster. You can use this on your molato soap, you can use this on your black soap. Laila soap is very effective, like it's super effective. Of course, you can't use Laila soap direct to your skin, it's gonna harm your skin. Okay, so we're gonna use 10 pieces of Laila soap to make this production, and if you're making a large quantity, you increase it, and if you want to test, you reduce the measurement. Okay, Then the next on our list is Kojic dip or powder. This Kojic dip powder, please, if you want to add this Kojic dip powder, make sure you are getting this from a right vendor. It matters. Kojic dip powder is everywhere, but the fake is everywhere. Let me just put it that way. Okay, and for you to get original Kojic dip powder, of course it's expensive. Okay, so if you're buying Kojic dip powder, maybe 50 gram for 2,000 or 1,000 naira, I don't think you are getting Kojic dip powder. Okay, so if you're getting Kojic dip powder, it's expensive, but it's very, very, very effective, like super effective. So you're going to add 50 gram of Kojic dip powder into this production. This is going to boost this soap. I know most of you will be like, are you sure this is not going to change color because of this powder? No, Kojic dip powder, most especially original Kojic dip powder, makes the product not to change color. Okay, so there's nothing like changing color on this production. Then the next on our list is Sepi White Serum. Sepi White Serum is bomb. Like bomb. This is a strong whitening serum that you can use to make lotion for people that have very stubborn skin, or you want to make esprit whitening half-cast lotion, esprit whitening half-cast soap, molato soap, black whitening black soap. Like, this is a whitening serum. So on this production, you use 2 pieces of this Sepi White serum. Then the next on our list, the last on our list, is shower gel. So this shower gel, of course, if you're a skincare therapist, you know a good shower gel, or you should have a good shower gel that works perfectly for you. So this, I recommend you use any shower gel that you think that works for you. Maybe you are using or you have used and it's working for you. Okay, so you get your mixing bowl, and please make sure your mixing bowl is well cleaned. Okay, and make sure that the grater you are using is not all these iron grater that, you know, when you keep it change color. All this, I don't know how to describe it. So make sure your grater is good to go and is well cleaned. Okay, grate all the soaps together, and you add your Kojic dip powder into it, mix it together. Then you add your serum, add your Sepi White serum into it. Then you pour your shower gel into it, soak it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, use your hand mixer to mix it together, and you're good to go. So if you're using this, make sure you're using a good scrub. Exfoliate your skin very well. And if you're giving it to your customer, advise your customer to get a scrub as well. And if you have a very, very stubborn skin, or you're a dark skin person and you change your skin, you're lightening up your skin. You know, some people have been asking me, how did you achieve this skin? How do you do it? Like, from black like this to this shade, how do you do it? Number one, I'm using a good and effective product formulated by me. Okay, I'm not buying outside. The one I make by myself. Before I sell product, most especially whitening products and glowing products, I test it on my skin first. And another one that nobody will tell you, nobody will tell you, I repeat myself, nobody will tell you, is supplement. Make supplement your best friend. This is supplement. This is a supplement. How do I show you this? Okay, you see it inside. Do you know the supplement here that is inside here? The supplement that you guys are looking down on, this skin whitening tea. This skin whitening tea is very effective. And some people, you don't have money to buy supplements. You are saving every month. You are saving money to get a supplement. Get the one that you can afford anytime, any day. You taking supplement does not mean you should take it today, tomorrow you are not taking. If you want to take supplements and seek the effectiveness of this supplement, make sure you take this supplement straight 3 months before you stop. Okay, so I take this supplement here every morning. And of course, I have another one, but this one is a bit expensive. This one here, I take this at night. So just make sure that you are in good time with supplements. It's going to help you to achieve the first and best result. So that is just it. Make sure you soak this soap 24 hours or less than before you blend it. Okay, and make sure you're using a clean grater and mixing bowl. Okay? And when you soak this, use a white nylon to cover this till that 24 hours. So this is all about this video. Please and please, I put a lot of effort making videos, and the only way you can support me is by subscribing and smash the like button, like liking the video. It's just that simple. Just watch and click that like button. They're not going to reduce money or data. Just watch and click the like button and share with your friends and family. In that way, you're going to help me promote my videos, okay, to reach out to other people's as well, and YouTube help me to push the video out there. Okay, so this is all about this video. See you guys on my next video. You guys know I love you so much. Bye.